What vitamins or minerals are linked to tinnitus relief? Tinnitus is a condition that many people experience, characterized by ringing or buzzing sounds in the ears without any external source. Managing tinnitus can be tough, but some vitamins and minerals may offer relief by promoting ear health and reducing oxidative stress. One important vitamin to consider is vitamin B12. A deficiency in this vitamin has been associated with various neurological issues, including tinnitus. Vitamin B12 is vital for maintaining healthy nerve cells and myelin sheaths, which are crucial for transmitting nerve signals. Ensuring you have enough vitamin B12 might help reduce tinnitus symptoms for some individuals. Another group of vitamins that can play a role are the B vitamins, including niacin and folate. These vitamins are essential for cellular metabolism and keeping nerve functions healthy. They help from the myelin sheath, which insulates nerve fibers and allows for efficient nerve signal transmission. Vitamin C is also noteworthy. As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C protects cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress can contribute to hearing loss and tinnitus, so having adequate vitamin C levels can help maintain auditory health. Zinc is another essential mineral linked to tinnitus relief. It acts as an antioxidant and supports the immune system. Zinc is involved in many enzymatic reactions and is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve function, which can indirectly benefit those suffering from tinnitus. Lastly, magnesium is important for nerve transmission. It has been shown to help protect against noise-induced hearing loss. If you are deficient in magnesium, it could worsen tinnitus symptoms, so it is important to ensure you are getting enough of this mineral in your diet. While these vitamins and minerals may support ear health and possibly alleviate tinnitus symptoms, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Tinnitus is complex, and treatment should be personalized to meet individual needs. Remember, dietary supplements can be helpful, but they should not replace standard medical care or advice from healthcare professionals.